Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today we're going to be doing red velvet cake. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing in this recipe is to mix our dry ingredients. This recipe does not need a mixer, just your rubber spatula and you're good to go. So fam, I'm going to be putting the ingredients on the screen and also listing it in the description box so that you could go to it at any time and use the exact measurements to get a cake that is as moist as this one. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, you're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, where we teach you how to cook delicious recipes from scratch. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bells so that when I post a video, you're going to be the first to know. So fam, the next thing we're going to be doing in this recipe is to mix the remaining ingredients and then just use your whisk to whisk that until very smooth. So fam, once those ingredients are ready, we're gonna go ahead and combine the dry and the wet ingredients and just mix that on with a spatula until smooth. Make sure you use 2 tablespoons of red food coloring so that you could have that bright red color. So fam, you want to make sure that your batter has a dropping consistency. Now we're going to pour our batter into our already prepared baking pans. I actually lined them with parchment paper, and then we're going to be baking this in an oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out dry. So fam, all we're doing right now is just to get off the air bubbles from our cake. There we go fam, our cake is ready. Once it's ready, just let it cool in the baking pan for about 10 minutes and then transfer it to your wire rack for it to cool down completely. And as usual fam, it's time for us to give ourselves a treat. Go ahead and cut yourself a piece of that cake and enjoy the flavor and also the moisture. There we go fam. If you want an idea for a dessert, you got that served. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.